All right, we're gonna go for a test drive here in a restored 1963 Volkswagen Beetle. Really nice little Beetle. I mean, it's got just the right amount of upgrades. It looks completely stock. The ride height, the interior is all stock, but it does have a freeway flyer transmission, which if you want to drive one of these things, you kind of got to do that, you know, to get on the freeway and not get flipped off or ran off the road. But this one has that good transmission. It has a 12-volt system. It's been converted to 12-volt. It's got a custom auto sound stereo. Fits in the dash real nice, so you know, it doesn't look like it's aftermarket, except for when you see the digital part. Also has this little under tray thing under the dash, you know, to little wicker thing. Those are kind of cool because they don't have much of a glove box, but lots of neat stuff you can buy for old VWs. But this one even has the steel wheels with the little moon caps on it. Wheels are like a nice, like a tan color, contrast well against the turquoise paint. I think it's original color combo for this vehicle also. Kind of looked them up on the internet. It looks like this is the color it was. It's a great color too for a classic VW. But other than the 12-volt and the stereo, you know, it's just been well kept. It's got a 1600 in it with a dual port. That's also an upgrade. But it looks stock under the hood. Plenty of power. It's got stock brakes that work perfect. The floors are beautiful. I don't know if they're refinished or if they're new, but they're incredible, and I have pictures of that. Everything underneath was done really well, whoever did the work. I bought it from a collector, and I got a lot of cars from this guy over the years, and when he gets something new, something has to go because there's no room, and that's how we got this beautiful car. Anyhow, we're going to go up here and take some more pictures and more video for you. All right, take a look at this beautiful 1963 Volkswagen Beetle. This is a really nice one. You can tell somebody spent a lot of money restoring this car. It's the original color, I believe, is turquoise. It's got the tan offset looking wheels. Looks really cool with the chrome VW caps on there. Newer tires, they look brand new. It's got a 1600 dual port engine in it. Single carb, runs great. 12-volt conversion. So 12-volt conversion makes it easier to start. You can put a radio in it. Everything works a little better than having a 6-volt. It's got the overrider bumpers. As I mentioned earlier, it's got the freeway flyer transmission, so you can actually get on the freeway with this car, not get blown off. Super clean though, all the chrome, all the trim, headlights. Trunk is all finished off nice, has a little empty tool kit in there. Show the interior. Super clean inside too, all stock looking. What's nice is you can still buy every part for this car, so when you want to restore one, not so hard, you don't have to track down parts. Seats are beautiful, nice and tight. Headliner's in great shape. All the rubber. 63 models had a gas gauge, that's kind of nice. The earlier ones didn't, so you had to wait till you run out and then turn the reserve on. Most people add the fuel gauge nowadays though. It's got the little basket down there to hold some goodies. And there's options you can buy for this. Buy a roof rack, you know, if you want to go with a full VW cool look, you can do that. Doors fit nice. The floors are incredible. I have undercarriage pictures if you want to see those. But good looking car. Don't get them like this every day because the cost of restoration is so expensive. You know, it's hard to get all your money back on something like that. So this is kind of a bargain for what's been done. All right, here's the motor in our 63 Beetle. Like I said earlier, it's a 1600 dual port. All fresh, the thing runs fantastic. It's got a new carburetor on there, and it just all looks nice and stock. Even though it's a little bigger than this factory motor, it's kind of what you want. You know, you kind of need more than 40 horsepower to kind of cruise around. But anyway, we'll fire it up for you. That's a little whistle coming out of those tailpipes. They're funny, you know. People say, yeah, sewing machine. But you know what? They're tried and true. These cars were meant to be in everybody's garage back in the 60s because they were an inexpensive car, but now look at them. Gone up in value. And it's a good runner driver, so you can't beat it. Come on out to California Cars if you want to see it in person. We can ship it to you wherever you're at, any state, any country. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. Or you can come see us in Simi Valley, 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Might be a nice sunny day to come out and check out this VW. All right, thanks for watching.